The Beaumont rifle served as the Netherlands' main service rifle from 1871 to 1895. In the 1860s, as European armies modernized with breech-loading rifles, the Dutch military chose Edouard de Beaumont's design, featuring an innovative split-bolt design with a leaf mainspring. By the 1880s, with repeating rifles becoming standard, the Dutch opted to modify their existing Beaumonts rather than develop new rifles. After testing different systems, they selected the Vitali magazine system in 1887, creating the M1871/88 Beaumont-Vitali with a 4-round box magazine. Nearly all 138,668 original rifles were converted between 1888 and 1895. These rifles served in the Netherlands, Dutch East Indies, and later with German second-line troops during World War I,